today's video, the video is on how you guys can log in into Ace Flare account. So if you guys do not know what Ace Flare is, then basically it's the account of Metabank, alright? So it's a bank of USA. So let me tell you guys how you guys can log in into it. So the first step is you want to search for Ace Flare account. Once you search for it, you want to click on where it says the Ace Flare account by Metabank. You want to click on it. So click on it, it's going to take you to its official website. Now once you're over here, you want to click on where it says sign in, and it's going to take you to the page where you guys can enter your information to sign in into your Ace Flare account. Now once you're over here, you need to enter your username and your password. After entering your username and password, you want to click on login, and if your username and password is correct, you should be able to log in into your account. And if you're not able to log in into your account, then basically your username or your password is incorrect, alright? And if you guys forget your password somehow, you can click on where it says forget password, and if you guys forget your username, you can click on username to recover your account. And if you guys want to create a new account, you can click on open a new account to create a new Flare account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video.